Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making this St. Patrick's Day tumbler, and y'all be sure to follow me on my socials, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok at Lulu Ladybug Creations. Hi, I'm Christy and I'm the owner and creator with Lulu Ladybug Creations. If y'all have anything personal that y'all like to see me regarding any tumblers or tutorials, please send them to Lulu Ladybug Creations at yahoo.com, and I hope you enjoy the beauty of handmade. Now, I somehow misplaced, or maybe I accidentally threw away the beginning of me making this tumbler. What I did was I used black acrylic matte paint as my adhesive for the green glitter, and I used Recollection extra fine glitter in emerald, and then I did spray it with Rust-Oleum 2 times clear to hold in the glitter, and then I used 20 milliliters of epoxy, Resin Rockers epoxy. I let it cure overnight and cut out my stencils of the 4-leaf clovers. And now what I'm doing is I'm placing these images. Here's the funny thing. I don't end up using this word lucky, because you'll see here in a little bit. But I'm placing these images, taping them down with a really thin painter's tape, where I'm going to place them on the tumbler after it, when they're ready to be placed on. But what I'm going to do is I'm placing them here so that I know where to place my 4-leaf clovers. So we're going to use this as my, I guess, guide, so that I don't place the 4-leaf clovers where these images will be placed. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use transfer tape and place these one by one on the tumbler. Now these stencils, the 4-leaf clovers, are really thin, so when I place them on the tumbler, I want to make sure that I rub down really good on those florals, on the 4-leaf clovers, so that I make sure that they're laid down really, really flat, because I don't want no paint or epoxy to seep underneath. Okay, after I get all these stencils placed, what I'm going to do is take it outside and spray paint it with a flat white spray paint from Rust-Oleum. after I've let that spray paint dry, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift up all those stencils. Okay, so with my epoxy, I added in some mica powder, and it's going to give it that shimmer because we're not using glitter on the white end of it. So if you can see that it's got some really pretty marbly, not marble, shimmer. It's the shimmer, but it's a mica powder that I added into the epoxy. And we're gonna coat this entire tumbler with epoxy, let it spin overnight, and then we'll be back to place the images. I do add some Chase Rae chunky glitter, and it's called Chill Out. I do sprinkle that just randomly over the entire tumbler. Okay, so I'm going to use my torch to pop any bubbles. Okay, so the cup has turned and cured overnight. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get these images that I got off of Creative Fabrica and place them on my tumbler. So this this word that I got from Creative Fabrica is called Lucky. It says Lucky, I'm sorry. Inside, it's a bunch of little 4-leaf clovers. I had some trouble weeding it, and it was lifting up edges, and it just wasn't working out for me. So what I end up doing is tossing that aside and recutting it with the same vinyl that I have down underneath. It says "and blessed." I end up using that same vinyl, and it's kind of like a shimmery green. It's kind of like a holographic almost green vinyl. But yeah, you'll see me here struggle with trying to lift up this this word, and it just was not working with me. Okay, so I went in and recut the word Lucky and blessed using a green shimmer, kind of like a holographic vinyl. And we're going to get that placed on the cup, and then what I'm going to do is seal all this in with Rust-Oleum clear spray paint, and then we'll put the final coats of epoxy to seal it all in. So I'm cleaning the inside of the rim because, of course, when you spray paint your tumblers, I don't have one of those little sealers, or I don't put tape, so I get spray paint overspray inside the tumbler, but I do clean it really good. But anyways, here's the final tumbler. It came out really, really cute. I did sprinkle, of course, those holographic chill out from Chase Rae. I think it came out really, really cute. I do hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. Y'all be sure to let me know if y'all recreate it. I'd like to see y'all's version. If you have any comments, please leave them down below. And y'all be sure to please like, subscribe, and share this video. And tap that bell to get notified with my upcoming tutorials. Leave me a comment. And I really do want to thank y'all for stopping by and watching this video.